discuss some more problems on design of clamper circuits. Let us see the another question. Design a diode clamper to restore the positive peaks of 1 kHz input signal to a voltage level equal to 5 volts. Assume the voltage drop across the diode as 0.7 volts. So very simple problem, just you have to understand the problem very carefully. So what it is given? It is given that design a diode clamper to restore the positive peaks of the input signal to a voltage level equal to plus 5 volts. For example, say how to interpret this circuit. For example, say this is your input signal. Say this is your input signal. So what it is asked? It is asked to restore these positive peaks. That means we shift these positive peaks to a reference level of 5 volts. So this is what it is asked. So that means the waveform will come like this. For example, say. So therefore, what type of clamper it is? It is a negative clamper. So it is a negative clamper. First you have to understand that it is a negative clamper. Negative clamper. First point. So we have to clamp the positive peaks at 5 volts. So therefore that is the given question. So what is the negative clamper simple circuit? The negative clamper simple circuit is, so the capacitor, so the diode will be in this direction. So remember that the reference voltage we have to take like this. I have explained in the previous classes. The reference voltage say VR, we have to find out. So suppose if this diode drop, what is the diode drop it is given as? The diode drop it is given as plus or minus 0.7 volts. Remember that. So if the diode drop is not there, just simply substitute 5 here. So that will be the answer for this problem. Very simple problem. But the diode drop is given. Clearly observe that the diode drop is given. So just a slight modification there in the VR answer. If the diode drop is 0, just what you substitute? Plus or minus 5 volts. So therefore you can draw a 5 volts line and draw the entire input waveform. So in practical circuit I said earlier, place a resistor R here. Therefore this is the capacitor, so this is the input voltage, so Vi, so this is the output voltage V0. So therefore what you have to take, so VR plus, let us say the cut-in voltage of this diode is say V gamma. So we have to equate VR plus V gamma is equal to plus 5 volts. So that is what we have to do from the circuit. So if V gamma is not there, just VR is equal to 5 volts substitute. But VR plus V gamma is equal to 5 volts we have to equate. So therefore VR from the circuit VR plus V gamma is equal to 5 volts. So therefore what is VR? So VR is equal to 5 minus V gamma. What is V gamma given? 0.7. So that will become 4.3 volts. So this is the very important point we have to observe. So therefore what is the value of VR we have to take in as the problem? 4.3 volts, remember that. So 4.3 plus 0.7 will become 5 volts. So that will be the answer. So now next thing what we have to find out, the capacitor and resistor values. So that will complete this design. So this value is very important when the diode drop is given. So use this concept. Now, so in the design, since the forward resistance and reverse resistance of the diodes are not given, let us assume the forward resistance has 100 ohms, I said it earlier. So the reverse resistance has 100 kilo ohms in every problem if RF and RR are not given. So what is the R value? R value is simply square root of RF into RR. So that is equal to 100 into 10 cube. So which will come out as R is equal to 10 kilo ohms. So this is the value of R we have to take in the design. So what is the next formula you have to take? So the first one. So what is the next formula we have to take? Take the time constant of the circuit. RC is much greater than, that is 20 times T. So I want to calculate the capacitor value, 20 by F into R. So 20 by, what is the F input frequency it is given as? The input frequency it is given as 1 kHz. So 1 into 10 cube. What is the resistor value we got? 10 into 10 cube. So therefore it will become, the capacitor value will become 2 microfarads. So these are the values we have to take in the circuit, and the reference voltage we have to take it as 4.3 volts. What is the C value? 2 microfarads we have to take in the circuit, and the resistor value we have to take it as 10 kilo ohms. So this is the problem, very important problem. This problem is also given in the previous examination. Just we have to solve like this, very simple problem. Now let us see the next problem in a similar way. So let us see the next problem. Design a diode clamper to restore the DC level of plus 5 volts to an input signal of peak to peak voltage plus 15 volts. Assume the voltage drop across the diode as 0.7 volts. Here this problem is slightly different. Understand that it is not said to positive peaks or negative peaks are clamped, but in the problem it is given is that DC level of plus 5 volts to an input signal. That means for an input signal, say for example, say this is our input. What is our input? So this is our input, which is given as peak to peak value of 15 volts means peak to peak value of 15 volts means this is our input. This is your input. This is plus 7.5 volts. So this is the minus 7.5 volts. So this is the input given. So what it is asked, very clearly observe that. So we want to restore the DC level. So what is the DC level of this waveform? The DC level of this waveform is 0. So the DC level of this waveform is 0. DC level is 0. So restore the DC level to 5 volts. So that is what you would expect. You have to change the DC level. Remember that. So for this purpose, let us draw a DC level of 5 volts. So this is the DC level you have to maintain for the input waveform. DC level. So for this DC level, just add plus 7.5 and minus 7.5. If you add plus 7.5, the waveform will go to plus 12.5. And the negative side 5 minus 7.5, it will move to minus 7.5. So you have to understand the problem very carefully. So this is the plus 12.5. So this is the minus 2.5. So this is the DC value given in the problem. So DC value. So first you have to draw a waveform like this. So what type of clamper it is? It is a positive clamper. Remember that it is a positive clamper. First point you have to observe is that it is a positive clamper circuit. Positive clamper circuit, because the entire portion is moved to positive side, positive clamper circuit. The positive clamper circuit is very simple. Say as you know that how to draw the positive clamper. So the positive clamper circuit is the diode will be in reverse direction. So but here, so because you can see that the reference voltage is negative. I have mentioned in the while discussing the design in the previous classes, just you have to take the reference voltage like this. Okay, reference voltage, because it is negative, so therefore we have to place the negative battery VR. So place a resistor in the circuit, like this. So this is the Vi of t. So this is the V0 of t. So first, so this is the diode. What is the diode drop? It is given V gamma. So diode polarity is like this. So this is 0.7 volts. So this is the plus or minus. So this is the. So what we want to find out? We want to find out the resistor value R, the capacitor value, and the reference voltage. So that will finish the circuit. So you can see that very clearly. If this 0.7 is not there, just VR is equal to minus 2.5. You have to substitute. So this is a negative clamper. When 2.5 is there, just draw from minus 2.5 to the above. So which I have given in the previous classes. So now what we have to equate? You have to equate. So therefore, what you have to equate? You have to equate in this question. So this voltage is equal to minus 2.5 volts. So that is what you have to equate. So therefore, so VR, so that is the reference voltage plus 0.7. So that is equal to 2.5. So therefore, what is the reference voltage? The reference voltage will come out as 1.8 volts. So therefore, the reference voltage we have to take it as 1.8 volts with this polarity. Or otherwise you can equate also like this, minus 0.7 minus VR. So that is equal to minus 2.5. So from this also we get VR is equal to 1.8 volts, but with this polarity we have to mention clearly. Now, so this is the VR we have to take in the problem. Now the resistor and capacitor design, you know how to design. So that is first, let the forward resistance, I said earlier, take 100 ohms and the reverse resistance as 100 kilo ohms. Therefore, what is the first design formula? R is equal to square root of RF into RR, which comes out as 10 kilo ohms. What is the second design formula? The time constant we have to take it as RC is equal to 20T. So from which the capacitor is equal to 20 by F into R. What is the frequency given? The frequency given as 1 kilohertz in the problem. So just to mention the 1 kilohertz in the problem. So that means it will become 2 microfarads. 2 microfarads. So this is the answer we have to take. So the capacitor value of 2 microfarads and resistor value of 10 kilo ohms, and the reference voltage with this polarity 1.8. So therefore minus 0.7 minus 1 point will become minus 2.5. So therefore this is what we have to write in the problem. So this is the another, these two problems are very, very important when the cut-in voltage of the diode is given. Thank you.